So yes, of course Musa is happy the rain is there, but now he's baffled. It's ajib. He says, Ya Allah, please, some clarification. I asked for rain to begin with, you said there's a sinner. I asked for the sinner to come forward, no one came forward. I asked for rain the second time and now the rain comes down. What's going on? Now listen to what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says to him. He says, Ya Musa, I deprived the rain from coming because of him and him alone. But that person, he turned back to me and he asked for my forgiveness. I accepted his tawbah, and now because of him and him alone, I've allowed the rain to fall down.